How to learn CSS in Sololearn. Want to style websites with CSS? Sololearn guides you step by step. First, open the Sololearn app on your device and tap the Learn tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll and select CSS from the list of programming languages. Start the course by learning about selectors, colors, fonts, and how to control layouts. Complete the quizzes and coding exercises to test your understanding. Try your own designs in the code playground to experiment with CSS styles. Practice regularly to build your skills and confidence in web design. Combine CSS lessons with HTML courses to create beautiful and functional web pages. Have you styled any websites using CSS? Tell us about your projects in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.